Looking to check all the boxes on your house hunting list? 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, isolated master bedroom, home office, pool and storm shelter. Check. Beautifully designed floor plan features tall ceilings and tile flooring in high traffic areas, plus a big kitchen with a center island, pantry and sizable breakfast area. This home offers every area needed for modern living and a backyard ready for summer fun. Plus it's located near the sports complex and zoned for well-rated schools.